city folks, so get ready for trouble. Prepare for some verbal punching and kicking on the double. Live your blues, KK, you'll no longer be cruising. With that shit-eating grin, your icon will be left in ruin. Straight from 1996, you won't get lucky this time. I can win this battle and I don't even need to rhyme. I'm an all-star, jamming on this track. I can already predict that your rapping's back. Overboard, like my driving constructor. Listening you repeat your lines, I'm not an interrupter. Putting a price on my music cause all my lines are rich. With that horrible guitar, you're literally nothing but a bitch. So the Snoopy riff-off is trying to put up a fight. Show this dog that he's definitely not alright. In the rain or in the snow, I got the funky flow. Sunny Funny loves a mic, you can't get your dog whistle blown. I'm manlier than Joe, and I'll punch you in the chin. And you diss his word just like me, paper thin. You lost now, so it's time to fetch the bone. Everyone's gotta believe that KK just got dethroned. Oh well.